Good day, Magic Makers. Welcome to the Teach 2024 year-end event. This is for you if you're ready to permanently put on your teacher hat in your life. What we're going to be doing in this 2.5-hour workshop is we're going to set you up to come up with a whole bunch of creative ideas for new workshops you could be teaching. You're going to design the curriculum for them, and then you're going to use my landing page template to begin mapping out those landing pages so that when you begin the new year, you're absolutely focused and on fire. You know what to do, you know where you're going, and you can just follow through on the plan. The entire purpose of this workshop is to empower you to be the teacher that you're here to be and to be teaching as often as possible, because when you're teaching all the time, you're transforming lives. When you're transforming lives, you're getting referrals. When you're getting referrals, you're making money. It's the simplest and most effective way for you to market who you are and what you do and the power of your work. So come to Teach 2024 on December 20th and let's get fired up about teaching all the time in 2024.